Hi, welcome to All That Is Magic. My name is Alex, and I'm here to open the next product, the Commander Deck Fallout Hail Caesar, or as the prof, if you know him, called Hail Kaiser. I don't know exactly why, but maybe the professor will answer me and explain why he calls it Kaiser. But anyway, going to open it. This is the second Commander deck from the Fallout series that I am going to open now. So let's see what's in this Commander deck. Now you know that I'm a yep. I actually love the whole Fallout series, so I am biased in this. That almost nothing I can actually find bad, because I just love the series. So you have the cards in the back. You have the nice things in the front here. It's nice foily. We have the deck box that you can fold out and use. You have the booklet on the set of the deck. We have, of course, the life counter with Caesar on it. And we have the collector booster sample pack that I'm going to open after. First of all, we have the commander card, the thicker one, with Caesar on it. I actually like this. And we have the special token cards. Also fun if you collect them. And we have, of course, the actual item that we're going to discuss here. I hope I can open this because I don't know, yeah. I was only a little bit scared that I didn't have any items with me that I can open it with, but it had the pull tab, so I'm going to separate the normal plains cards and the other land cards that are in the back. Sorry for the small interruption if you're going to see it, because the battery just shut down. But in the end of the pack with the land cards, we had, of course, the two foil commander cards. We had the Caesar, Legion's Emperor, and we have the Mr. House President and CEO, both in gorgeous foil. Love the cards. They're not damaged, they're perfect. So that's finally something Wizards did good. Let's the land cards. And we're going to slowly see all the cards that are in this deck. I hope this is... you can read this? Good. We have Aradesh the Founder, Battle of Hoover Dam. We have Overseer of Vault 76. We have Securitron Squadron. Nice art with the lasers. Also rare. We have Sierra Nuka's biggest fan. We have Vault 75 Middle School Saga. We have Yes Man Personal Securitron. I always thought this robot was pretty funny. We have Futz, gorgeous art. Wasteland Raider, and these are all non-foils, by the way. We have Mysterious Stranger. We have Powder Ganger. Okay. We have Rose Cutthroat Raider. We have Thrill Kill Disciple. Wild Wasteland. Boomer Scrapper. We have Colonel Autumn, still rares. We have Desdemona Freedom's Edge. What's in the name? Elder Arthur Maxon. Elder Arthur Maxon, sorry. We have Kellogg, not the cereal, but Kellogg Dangerous Mind. Still rare. We have McCready Lamplight Major. McCready Lamplight Major. Actually pretty nice art. Typical Fallout art. We have the Nipton Lottery. And mind you, we still are going with the rares. So many rares in this pack. Looks like a John Wick kind of card. We have Paladin Elizabeth Taggerty, okay. Human Knight. We have Vault 11 Voter's Dilemma, a saga card. And we have EDE Lonesome Eyebot. We have, we're going to the land cards. We have, put this aside. We have Desolate Mire. We have, oh, this is a nice one. Diamond City. We have 2 land cards, and then we're going to go with other cards again. Captain of the Watch. We have Entrapment Maneuver. Hour of Reckoning, and still rares. We have Keeper of the Accord. Marshall's Anthem. We have Marshall Coop. We have Secure the Wastes. We have Black Market. Seen these prints a lot. Lethal Scheme. Still rares. Nice card. We have Stolen Strategy. We have Anguished Unmaking. Assemble the Legion. This is of course with the Caesar theme. We have Fervent Charge. This looks like Hellgeist from the other game. I forgot which game it was, but the Hellgeist. We have Ruinous Ultimatum, also with the Caesar theme. Still rares. And we're going to go to the lands again. We have Canyon Sloth. Clifftop Retreat. We have Dragon Skull Summit. Look at that art. That's just gorgeous. That's gorgeous. We have Isolated Chapel. We have Shadowblood Ridge. We have Smoldering Marsh. Also, this is, I'm sorry, but these cards are just so damn nice. You just gotta love this Fallout art. Temple of Malice. Also very, very nice. We have Temple of Silence. We have Temple of Triumph. Windbrisk Heights. We have, going to the normal cards again, we have Gary Clone. We have Butch Deloria Tunnel Snake. We have Ruthless Red Rat. We have Craig Boone Novak Guard. We have Legate Lanius Caesar's Ace, also the Caesar theme. We have White Glove Garment. We have, hey, we have the the first bobblehead. We have the Charisma bobblehead, of course not the serialized one, not the foil one, but the normal one. Still a funny card. Okay, second one, the Luck bobblehead. We have Survivor's Medkit. We have Impassioned Orator. We have Intangible Virtue. We have Bastion of Remembrance. Gorgeous art. We have a Deadly Dispute. We have a Morbid Opportunist, of course a card that you see in a lot of sets. We have Pitiless Plunderer. General's Enforcer. We are, by the way, we are near the uncommons already. We have Heroic Reinforcements. We have the double card Wear and Tear. Wear and Tear. We have the Arcane Signet. Skull Clamp. And of course, Sol Ring. So many Sol Rings, and they're all almost, yeah, you know, the same kind of cards with the ring, but all of them, almost all of them, are just pretty, really pretty. I just like Sol Ring. Talisman of Conviction. Talisman of Hierarchy. Talisman of Indulgence. Go to the lands again. We have Ash Barrens. We have Command Tower. Beautiful. Almost looks like a kind of Lord of the Rings art in this one. We have Evolving Wilds. So many reprints of this one. Memorial to Glory. Myriad Landscape. Nomad Outpost. Path of Ancestry. Tainted Field. Tainted Peak. And the last one, the Terramorphic Expanse. So these are all the cards that are in the Commander deck Ceasar, Hail Ceasar. I just have to say that, you know, this art just makes me laugh and makes me a good feeling, you know, because playing these games from Fallout, you know, lately seeing the series, it just it makes me feel good. It just brings back a lot of memories. So you have, I think it's 100 cards with the land cards, the normal land cards, the special land cards. We have the 2 foil cards. We have, I think it's 10 tokens. We have the life counter. We have the booklet, and of course the collector booster sample pack. I'm going to open now. See if there is anything juicy in this one. I don't know if it was 1 or 2 cards. I think 2. Yep, 2 cards are in here. So, discover the cards. Okay, let's see. The first card is rare, of course. It's James Wandering Dead. Not a good one. And hopefully the next one will be a little bit better. Let's see. We have a Marshall Coupe. Foil. Still, I don't think it's a very good one. But okay. Where are the high value cards? Come on. So this is the video on this Commander deck. Hope you like it. At least you can see what which cards are in here. Hope to see you at the next unboxing of the next Commander deck. And we have 2 more coming. And yeah, okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope I'm getting better at this video. And yeah, I'll see you next time, I hope. Okay.